So ever since Lilt had her bone infection, she walks different than most budgies. Instead of waddling like most budgies do, she kind of hops and uses her other foot just to sort of give her some distance. Yeah, like that. She uses her bad foot almost as a crutch, which is really interesting. She already had some limited mobility because, as most of you might know, she was a French malt budgie when she was a baby, or at least I think so. So she doesn't fly. So she didn't lose her foot when she had her bone infection, but she has some limited mobility, so she walks a little different. And I think it's very interesting the way she walks. Yeah, you know I'm talking about you, huh? But she's just as fast and she climbs just as well. She just walks a little different. It's very interesting. Huh. Yeah. You want to say hello to the people? To your fans? No, you're not interested in the camera right now, huh? Okay. She's probably tired. Say goodbye, Lilt.